Problem set 03H. Problem: if the square root of x plus the square root of 8 is equal to the square root of 32, find the value of x. Solution: since it is the value of x that we are after of, apply subtraction property of equality to have all the numericals placed at the right side of the equation. Since 8 has a factor of 4 that is a perfect square and 32 has a factor of 16 that is a perfect square, we got the square root of x equals negative 2 times the square root of 2 plus 4 times the square root of 2. Since the terms at the right side of the equation are similar, they can be added giving as the square root of x equals 2 times the square root of 2. Since both sides are radicals, let us square both sides, giving us x equals 8. Problem: solve for x in 2 raised to 2x minus 3 times 2 raised to x plus 2 equals 0. Solution: transpose to the right side of the equation the constant term 2 by applying the subtraction property of equality. Then, on the left side we have 2 raised to 2x minus 3 times 2 raised x. Apply monomial factoring at the left side, we get 2 raised to 2x times 1 minus 3 equals negative 2. Now dividing both sides by negative 2, we get 2 raised to 2x equals 1. Expressing both sides of the equation into powers with the same bases, we can equate 1 to 2 raised to 0. Since both sides of the equation have the same bases, the exponents can be equated. That is, 2x is equal to 0. This implies that x is equal to 0. Problem: determine the logarithm of 125 divided by the logarithm of 5. Solution: recall that the logarithm of b to base v is equal to logarithm of b to the base a divided by the logarithm of v to the base a. Hence, the given can be written as logarithm of 125 to the base 5. Therefore, it is equal to 3. While the other approach is by expressing the numerator and denominator into logarithm with the same argument of 5 since 125 is the cube of 5. Cancelling the logarithm of 5 in both numerator and denominator, we got 3. Problem: the legs of a right triangle are 4 times the square root of 5 and 2 times the square root of 5. How long is the hypotenuse? Solution: apply the Pythagorean theorem, that is c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared, where a and b are legs, and c is the hypotenuse of the right triangle. Then, we have c squared is equal to the square of 4 times the square root of 5 plus 2 times the square root of 5. Getting the square at the right side of the equation, we get c squared is equal to the square of 4 times the square root of 5 which is 80, plus the square of 2 times the square root of 5 which is 20. Since c is the unknown, we have to get the square root of both sides of the equation. But the square root of c squared is c, thus, we get c is equal to the square root of 100, which is 10. Therefore, the length of the hypotenuse is 10 units.
Thank you for watching. Please share this to the learners.